presentation, we are going to see about Vhdl for half adder. The main objective is to understand the function and operation of a half adder and to learn the modeling of half adder in Vhdl and to synthesize and stimulate half adder. A half adder is a combination circuit that adds two 1-bit numbers. One of the two bits is the carry from the lower stage or a hardwired high or low bit. Symbol for a half adder and the truth table for half adder. Entity. The entity is used to specify the input and output ports of the circuit. An entity usually has one or more ports that can be inputs, outputs, and input-outputs or buffer. An entity may also include a set of generic values that are used to declare properties of the circuit. Here we can see how we can declare the entity. Entity name, port 1 name, port 2, etc. and entity name. Architecture. Architecture is the actual description of the design which is used to describe how the circuit operates. It can contain both concurrent and sequential statements. An architecture can be declared using this following syntax. Architecture name of entity name, begin, the statements, and end architecture name. Here we can see the data flow modeling syntax. First line, we included the library and used the package, and we declared entity and architecture syntax. In behavior modeling, the syntax of entity and architecture is here. And last, structural modeling. We can see the entity declaration and architecture and the syntax of it. Waveform of Vhdl. Verify the sum and carry output waveforms with the given truth table. For A equal to 1 and B equal to 0 inputs, the outputs are sum equal to 1 and carry equal to 0, which are highlighted in the figure. Thank you.